Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we'll be talking about Lab 24, which is managing the lifecycle of external users in Azure Active Directory Identity Governance settings. So let's go to the Azure Active Directory. So let's say there is a user who has been invited to our directory using access packages, and let's say there is he doesn't have any permissions right now. So what are the different actions that we can perform on that user? So let's see what are they and how can we configure them. So once going to our Azure Active Directory, which I just changed it to MRT in the previous videos. So let's go to the Identity Governance. There you go. And once you go to Identity Governance, you can see under Entitled Management, we have various sections in which we have a column called Settings. So click that. So this is the whole page where you can manage the lifecycle of external users in Azure AD. So you can see, select what happens when the external user who was added to the directory through an access package request loses their assignments, last assignments to any access package. So these are the different operations that can be performed. So coming to the first one, as you can see, block the external user from signing into the Azure Active Directory. So if he doesn't have any access and his access has been expired, then we can click yes. In this case already it has been there, yes. So you can click edit, and based on that you can do the changes accordingly. So if you block that, the external user cannot be signed into your Azure Active Directory and perform the relevant actions. And the other one is you can directly remove the external user from your Active Directory as the assignments have been expired. So you can click accordingly and can click no. So based on that you can just change the settings here. And coming to the number of days before removing the external user from the Active Directory, so you can just add how many number of days that you want here. So if you want to remove the guest users in this directory, you can set a number of days before it is being removed. So if you want to remove a guest user as soon as they lose their last assignment to the access packages, then you can just directly click 0. Or if you want to give a certain number of days, you can just add like 30, as we have seen in the in the previous one it was 30. So you can by default you can just keep it as 30 and just save it. So these are the few options that you can configure to configure the external users. So there is also a note which I'll read out for you, which is entitled management only removes accounts that were invited through the entitled management. Also note that the users will be blocked from signing in and removing from the directory, even if the user were added to the resources in this directory that were not access package assignments. So even if it is not the access package assignments, or even if they are other resources, even that will be removed accordingly. So if the guest user presents in this directory prior to receiving the access package assignments, they will be remain. So however, if the guest user was invited to the access package assignments and after being invited was also assigned to OneDrive for business or SharePoint online site, then they will be removed. So this is what the note was according to the docs. So yeah, this is the column where you can manage the lifecycle of external user. I hope you guys understood the concept of today's video, which is very short. So yeah, if you like the video, please click the like button below, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please share the video. Thanks everyone.